Hi guys. Today it's just me.
It's actually both of us. We're actually unboxing a boat.
Yeah.
What a surprise change of events.
Yeah, so this is the Intex Explorer 200. And
It comes with oars and a pump.
yeah, and we're gonna be unboxing this today. We're gonna be using this in the pool all summer.
And we will make a video about that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get opening. What's in here?
Those looks like the oar pieces. We'll put those together in a minute.
Minito.
Here's the actual boat.
That's nice. Where's the pump?
What pump?
It comes with a pump.
Here's a rope. Yeah. Okay, so we're done with the box. Now, let's like unfold this thing.
You think the pump might be inside? The pump is inside. We're okay, people.
Wait,
the
no,
pump is inside.
There's the instructions, but we don't need this because
We already got 2 of these.
Yeah.
This is our 3rd one we've gotten. Because the others have gotten holes in them.
well, it's not the company's fault.
It's
all right.
One we put a hole in.
Yeah, by
we
just being
used
rough
it.
with it.
Yeah.
And another got a hole in it because
A
mice
mice.
got into it. So, yeah, this is number 3.
So currently I'm taking out these random poles.
I think they're like to the oars because
We should probably look at the directions. This is the first boat that we've gotten with oars and a pump. The others we've just gotten
the boat.
yeah.
Now, I don't think we're going to be using this pump to blow up the boat because
We're going to be using an air mattress pump.
yeah,
Because it's just easier
yeah,
like that.
the oar heads.
Okay, so
Hang
I'm
on, I can
guessing
put these together.
that these go together. That looks confusing.
So you put so and so on. What?
Alright. Well, guys, we're back.
Yep. And we finally got all these oars together. They look pretty nice, pretty nice. Now it's time for the actual boat. Oh, and this pump is it's really nice, but like we're not gonna use it because it'll take forever to just do that.
So
we're gonna be using
getting
an air mattress
pump.
But this would be very nice for like
Things that we have to blow up with our mouths.
yeah, so we have a bigger version of one of these pumps. It works very well. Highly recommend it. And yeah, but this is basically a smaller version of it, and it has like a smaller tip so that I can fit into like the little holes. And these will be helpful for stuff like that doesn't fit the bigger pump. So, yeah, now it's time for the big boy boat.
And if you get the boat with oars or without oars, it always comes with a patch.
Yes.
I think the one without oars comes with 2 patches.
Alright, well let's lay this boy out.
Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go get the air pump.
So Morgan's gonna go and get the air pump.
You're good with that?
Yep.
Come here.
Alrighty, we'll lay this out and then we'll take our rope here. That's meant for like docking the boat, and we'll put it in. So thread it through that hole, and then we'll tie a little knot. Gotta make it look all pretty so that you know you look schmancy. Because we're not gonna tie this up in our pool, like we're gonna bring it inside, so why not make it look cool? I mean, this is a very big boat. Like, I can fit, I'm like 4'11" maybe, and I can fit from the front to the back almost perfectly. And if you were sitting like this, you could definitely fit 2 people in, which is kind of what they advertise. 200. They also have the 100 and 300, which the 100 can only hold 1 person, and the 300 can almost hold 3 people. I don't know, but we got the 200 because there's 2 of us. You know, tandem vlogs kind of makes sense. Anyway, let's wait for Morgan to get the air pump.
So I got the air pump. And I also got our bigger version of the pump right there.
Yeah.
So it's like same brand
Intact.
and everything.
But
And
you can see
Size difference.
Size difference.
And this one you use your feet. You stand on that thing and then you go up and down.
But with this one, you go side to side. So yeah, big difference. Very nice one.
But they're both
Now-
very nice.
Let's fill this thing up.
And maybe we'll try it in the pool.
Yeah, maybe. Alright guys, so we blew up the Explorer, you know, very nice. And it's got these nice oar things, which you can do that with.
Let the professional handle this.
We didn't put the other oar in, but you get the point. So, we're gonna go outside to the pool and test this thing out.
And we don't even need to get changed.
Nope, because it's a boat.
It's a boat.
We'll see you guys outside.
Should we get our life jackets? For fun.
See you guys outside. Okay, we'll get in. We're gonna move. You gotta move to the front, probably to the front.
Can you get a row?
Yeah, I'm gonna roll. At least take your socks off.
I need to have socks
Sorry, Pebble.
on. Hey guys, so we're in the boat and we're in our clothes.
Yeah,
Look at the boat.
I don't really know how to row, so this
Okay,
is gonna
okay.
go well.
So I'm going to teach you how to row. Welcome to Morgan's rowing class.
Morgan, I know how to row.
Where you go like
little.
this.
Yeah, I know, but you gotta move out of the wave.
Go backwards.
What?
Like the other way.
Oh.
Yes, so you're pulling. Yes, there you go. There you go.
I don't even know which way we're going.
And
We're
we're off.
going somewhere. Why are we going in reverse? I think we need to go this way.
The water,
Because that's how you're supposed to row.
the water's very warm.
Oh, yes. Right.
Hitting the oars.
Sorry, I can't.
Ooh, 90-degree turn.
This is a nice little boat. Oh, what 80-degree turn.
Ooh, 360.
Can you push off, please?
Yeah.
Thanks, please. I'm good. Not really good.
Can you help? Can I try one? Roll. Yeah.
You can try running.
Mommy, what time is it?
8:16.
Been out here for 6 minutes. Or as
We
the
got about-
GoPro says. Splashing water.
No,
GoPro says 2 minutes is no, 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
So this thing is an awesome product, guys, if you want to check it out. Not sponsored. Yeah. So this thing is awesome. We just got this thing for the summer, and we hope you guys enjoy your summer and have fun in your pools. And if you don't got a pool, maybe your local town has one that you could have fun in as well.
Or
So,
you can get a membership at a country club.
yeah, whatever works for you. Have fun in the pool this summer. We'll see you guys later in another video. Bye.